we didn't really have any plans for dinner tonight, so we're just gonna make some egg sandwiches with our 90-second bread. Hi, welcome back. Lance is filming tonight. I just thought I would make some 90-second bread. We didn't meal prep this week, so we got home and we don't know what to eat, and this is quick and easy. So I put about a tablespoon of melted butter in my ramekin, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. And we're just going to make some egg sandwiches tonight for dinner. Keep it simple. And then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon. Can't see, there's a glare. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. All right. Add my egg. We did see that the eggs prices did come down, which is nice. I got, I didn't think there would be a $10 difference on medium and large. But I got some medium brown eggs, 5 dozen for $17.99. So I went ahead and bought them. I don't know if there's a difference between white eggs and brown eggs, nutrition-wise. And then I just mix it until it's no longer lumpy. But I thought I would share the word a la pa again. So in your pap word again tonight is going to be a la pa. It's been really cold here in Washington State, and it took a while for my windows to defrost. So I'm just going to stick these in the microwave for 90 seconds and we'll be right back. All right, it's been 90 seconds. I'm gonna go grab our bread. Here's one. Here is number 2. We do have a wider ramekin that I wanted to use, but I couldn't find those, so these are pretty much at 1 cup. Gonna take these off the edge here.
Do you have to spray them or anything?
No spray, only because I melted the butter.
Oh, okay.
And greased the inside. So we're just gonna let these cool, and then I'll go ahead and take them out and cut those in half and let you know how they look. We're having egg sandwiches. All right, I'm gonna just let these cool on a rack. There's one. And here's number 2. Whoop, come on. It did stick a little on there, but other than that, that looks pretty good. All right, welcome back. So like I said, we didn't really have any plans for dinner tonight, so we're just gonna make some egg sandwiches with our 90-second bread. This has a really nice texture and feel to it, like normal bread. I hope to use and find my other ramekin, because these are a little more, not as wide as the other two that we use. I fried up some eggs. We had some leftover sausage, so we're just going to make a sandwich tonight for dinner. We're going to keep it simple, quick and easy, and we'll put some of our Primal Kitchen avocado mayonnaise on here. Anyways, thanks for joining me. We're not food experts by any chance. We're just doing this to keep ourselves accountable, and we're just having fun along the way. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.